We begin our journey with Mr. Joko, a seasoned strawberry farmer who has been tending to his fields for over 3 decades. Through the years, Mr. Joko has adhered to traditional farming methods which he inherited from his ancestors. Mr. Joko shares, strawberry farming is an art. We are not just growing fruit, we are nurturing life. I start by preparing the soil in the open fields, adding organic compost for fertility. Then, I plant the young strawberry plants and water them regularly. I also keep an eye out for pests, using natural remedies to keep them at bay. It's labor-intensive, but it's worth it when you see the first ripe strawberry of the season. In contrast, we have Mrs. Sari, a young farmer who has embraced modern farming techniques in her quest to grow strawberries. Mrs. Sari, who operates a greenhouse, explains her method. In my greenhouse, I can control the environment. I use a hydroponic system, which means the strawberries grow in water, not soil. This reduces the chance of disease and increases yield. The greenhouse also protects the plants from harsh weather conditions and pests. The farming methods of Mr. Joko and Mrs. Sari highlight the evolution of strawberry farming. Traditional farming, as practiced by Mr. Joko, relies on open fields, organic compost for soil fertility, and natural pest remedies. It's a labor-intensive process, but one that yields fruit imbued with the love and care of the farmer. On the other hand, modern techniques, as used by Mrs. Sari, leverage technology for efficiency. Greenhouses provide a controlled environment, while hydroponic systems allow for soilless farming, reducing disease risks and increasing yield. So whether you're biting into a strawberry grown in the open fields of Pancasari, or one nurtured in a controlled greenhouse, remember the hard work and dedication that goes into cultivating these delightful fruits. From the fields and greenhouses of Pancasari village, this is a tale of strawberries and the farmers who nurture them from seedlings to the sweet treats we all love.